Advanced Skills Baccalaureate Wales allows me to be flexible, unlike any other subject. It provides relevant skills that I could need in my future.
One of my favourite parts of the subject so far was our little project on the road trip. It allowed me to experience a project where I could decide on what I was doing, and I was able to collaborate with some of my friends on it. During the road trip project, I was able to develop skills such as my numeracy skills because we had to consider a budget, my collaboration skills as I had to work with other people, and my critical thinking as I had to understand what was needed for the project.
As I am looking to go on to do a medical degree after sixth form, I think that this subject will help me to develop those skills such as empathy and all the other wider skills which will be required.
What part of this subject do you think could benefit you in the future?
So for me, I'm really interested in physics and I would like to potentially go down the route of research. So I think with a skills challenge, it teaches you how to present any work clearly, how to analyse sources.
Yeah, going on from that, I think the road trip especially included teamwork, and when going on into careers and university, I think using and being a part of a team is vital, and so I think skills definitely helps with that.
Yeah, I enjoyed how you can present your work slightly differently to other subjects rather than just a plain Word document.
I feel that Advanced Skills Baccalaureate Wales has been extremely beneficial to our learners here at Chepstow School. It's a really valuable, worthwhile qualification that I feel gives them skills for life. There are so many different integral skills that they learn as part of the challenges. We've just done the road trip, they've learned digital literacy, they've worked on collaboration, all the things that will be really, really vital to them when they get a job when they're older or if they go to university. So I feel that the course really supports their other skills and it allows them to develop as young people.